Savanna, I got fired a few hours ago. I know, right before I got in Dragon, right before a big show, MissDeegan's here, bitching and moaning, saying how sad everything is. Yeah. She's been here. Julie left with her. She's just telling me how sad and everything. And, well, I told her my sad Josie and the Pussycats accessory set story. That was a sad one. By the way, your lighting and your new feather accessory is really pretty. Oh, it was a sweet find. Really. Check it. I got 3 more. Oh, well, did you tell her how your mother grabbed her face and gasped in horror as she screamed up in the Josie Pussycat slip-on shoes accessories too? Those shoes were part of the set. And now I didn't tell her how she dragged me by my ear all the way back. And then maybe get the Evil Knievel doll. But do you think I'll be a hit tonight? Oh, sorry, I was tripping on wondering, well, if poor Julia's had enough of... Here they come. Oh, dear God, no. What? No. Here she is. Here, you guys. Take MissDeegan. Just trying to get in the chair. Yeah, that's all I can take. I can't. Savanna, I can't. And she'll need some changing. She needs to be changed. You don't even run off like that, Julie. I wasn't that bad. She would go back for my wig. Oh, really? It was a mean drunk lady. She came over and took it. And, well, slapped her in the face. And I wasn't going back for that. I gotta go cook dinner. And, well, I'll see you later. I'll need you back here in an hour. Then we can talk. Marquee, you be changing me. Oh, you got your job back. Well, I do. You're damn right you need a changing. Come on. You better not be hurting me, Marquee. You don't know what hurt is. You guys, don't make a mess. Please don't make a mess. Hey, baby. What's all the yelling about? Who are you guys screaming at? Oh, Marquee and Julie, and Julie's all mad at me, and now MissDeegan, and that. I just try not to think about it. But, careful, babe. Your beautiful voice. Oh, hold on. Me, touch me in the road now. Oh, is this be okay? Was it all so simple there? Oh, see, I sound good. I could do it. Oh, yeah, that was beautiful. You like a songbird. My beautiful songbird. Give me a little kiss. How you like that? You trying to get to me? Did it work? A little bit. Let me grab my purse. We don't want to be late now. Hey, Savanna. Oh, hey, WadeElvis. I'm just bringing back this wig. MissDeegan, my friend Loretta, she slaps her in the face and snatches his wig back every time she sees MissDeegan. That ain't very nice, Marquee. Yeah, I know. Let me just put this wig away. That's funny. Yeah. She still wants me to stop, and, well, tell Savanna I brought that, and I gotta go help MissDeegan. we'll come check on you after the show. Okay, ready to go. Good, baby. Touch me at the more, yeah.